Want to know how to create descriptions for your measures? So this video is for you. Our video today is going to be real quick. My main goal here is to guide you how to create descriptions for your measures. You can translate your DAX measures to English to facilitate the understanding of the final user of each measure. How can we do that? We can go here to our model view and select one of our measures. When we click in a measure, you see that we will have this description here. This description is where we can put a text to translate our measure, explain our measure. So here we have the total sales of the sales amount. So how can we do it? We can do it two ways. Total of sales amount, or a more complete explanation. Sum of the column sales amount of the fact internet sales table. Many people that I work to, many clients that I work, they prefer the second way because they give me the logic of the measures. They show me which column I need to use, which table I need to use. So the second approach, explaining which column and which table we are using for our measure, it's easier for them to audit if the measure that we are creating is correct or not, if the logic is the way they want it. But you can do both ways, it will be correct. So if we came here and you put your mouse above the measure, you see that now it's appearing. Total sales amount, and here is the explanation. Pretty cool, right? But let's say you have lots of measures and you don't want to write yourself the translations for each measure that you have. How can we improve this? You can create this description in ChatGPT. So let's give it a shot. Let me just copy here my measure and go to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to create a new prompt here saying, I want that you translate all the DAX measures that I will send to you and give me the explanation in English. I want what the measure do, the column and table that is using. Say OK if you understand. Okay, now I'm gonna send my measure. Here it is. He's gonna usually ChatGPT gives you more than you want, but here he's given us the explanation. This measure calculates the total of the sales amount column for the fact internet sales table. It uses the sum function which adds up all the numeric values in the specific column. It's a little too much, but you can refine this prompt and explain to him exactly what you want. But here it is. It's already done. If you want, you can just give this, copy this, and paste in our measure. And voila, explanation, here it is. The same explanation that we use in ChatGPT. You can do both approaches and see what suits you better. I hope you enjoy it. So, what do you think of today's video? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. With more likes, this video will have a higher reach and help more people. And if you want to know more about Power BI, check the fixed comment and take a look in my ebook. It will give you a wide help from basic to advanced in all you need to know of Power BI. And I see you guys on our next video.